Hello students, welcome to M10 classes. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometric identities. So students mostly find difficulties in solving trigonometric identities. So we are going to read these trigonometric identities in 3 to 4 parts. Okay, I will tell you how to solve those numericals. First of all, see what are these basic trigonometric identities. There are 3 basic trigonometric identities for you. Let us see what are they. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Second one, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Next is 1 plus cos square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Okay, so first we are going to prove those. Let us see the proof first. First of all, you know the Pythagoras theorem for a right triangle, that is p square plus b square is equals to h square, right? Where p stands for perpendicular, b stands for base, and h stands for hypotenuse. Let's see. Divide all these with h square. What will you get here? P by h is nothing but your sine theta. So you will get here sine square theta plus b by h is your cos theta. So you will get here cos square theta, and here it will be cancelled out, you will get 1. So first one is proved. It's very simple. Next, again right here p square plus b square is equals to h square. Okay. Now students, see here you have tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is p by b. So here to get tan theta, you can divide b here, b square. So what will you divide it here, b square? So here b square and b square is cancelled. What are you getting here? P by b is tan theta. So you are getting tan square theta plus 1. That is h by b. H by b is nothing but sec theta. So you will get here sec square theta. That means by rearranging you will get 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Proved. Okay. Likewise, p square plus b square is equals to h square. Now what do you need to get here? Cot theta. Cot theta is b by p. So here divide p square. So here it will be cancelled. What will you get? 1 plus b by b is cot theta. So you will get cot square theta. H by b is cosec theta. So you are getting cosec square theta. So it is also proved. Okay. So it's very simple. Okay. So next we are going to solve this problems related to trigonometric identities. Friends, you are getting at least one 4-mark question and one 3-mark question in our exams related to trigonometric identities. Okay. So I will tell you how to solve those numericals. Students, you need to remember 5 things while solving those problems related to trigonometric identities. First one, trigonometric ratios and identities. Okay, first and foremost important one. Second one is algebraic identities, because you are going to use those algebraic identities while solving those problems related to trigonometric identities. Third one, if you are not able to solve and you find it difficulties to solve it, first of all convert the trigonometric ratios into simpler forms. Simpler form is you need to convert them into sin theta and cos theta. Okay. Fourth one, don't ever stop. Don't ever stop solving those problems, because if you are putting those steps correctly, then don't ever stop and you'll surely get the answer. Fifth one, practice a lot. So first of all, you need to solve the numericals which are easier for you. You know, in the reference books, the problems are arranged in an order. Like first of all, you are going to get the easier problems. Gradually, the difficulty will increase. So first solve those problems which are a little easier. That will gain by that you will gain confidence, and after that you can easily solve those numericals which are little difficult also. Okay. So practice a lot. Let us start solving those problems. So first of all, I am solving some questions from exercise 8.1. So let us write here what are the trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. 1 plus cos square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So students, from here you can also get that if you are taking this sin square theta on this side, 1 minus sin square theta equals to cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta equals to sin square theta. Likewise, you can get here sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. Again, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Likewise, cosec square theta minus 1 is equals to cos square theta. Cosec square theta minus cos square theta equals to 1. You can get it like this. Okay. Let us solve some numericals. The first one, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, let us solve this. See here, you have cosec theta here, cot theta here, you have cos theta here. Okay, let us first convert them into simpler form. We are going to solve it from LHS. Gradually, we are going to get RHS. Okay, so see, from LHS, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. First of all, let us convert this into simpler form. Okay, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, so you can write it here 1 by sin theta. Cot theta is cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, its whole square. Now here, what would be the LCM? That would be equals to sin theta. So we are getting here sin theta, and we are getting here 1 minus cos theta whole square. So you can get here 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. But students, here we don't have sin theta. Here I need to convert it into cos theta. Okay. So from sin square theta, see here sin square theta. How can you get sin square theta? It will be equal to 1 minus, take cos to this side. So 1 minus cos square theta equals to sin square theta. So what can you write here? In place of sin square theta, you can write 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Now here you can write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by. Now this is in the form a square minus b square. So you can write it as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, because a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. Now see here, this is cancelled out. So what is remaining here? 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. It is proved. That is equal to RHS. Okay. So likewise, we will solve some more numericals. So let us see another problem here. It is given cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A is equal to 2 sec A. Okay. Let us start from the LHS. Cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Okay, now so they are already present in the simplest forms. Let us take the LCM first. What will you get here? 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, now these two will be multiplied. What will you get here? Cos square A plus these two will be multiplied. 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay, let us simplify this. You have cos square A here. Now this is A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now what will you get? 1 square is 1 plus sin square A plus 2 into 1 into sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, now let us see. Let us arrange this. Cos square A plus sin square A. Because sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So by arranging, what will you get? First write 1 here. Then sin square A plus cos square A plus it will give you 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, now see here. This sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So what will you get here? 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So 1 plus 1 is 2 here. 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A whole into cos A. Okay. So from this, see in the numerical part, you can take 2 common here. So take out 2 common. What will you get? 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay. So here you see this 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A is cancelled out. So what you do? What you have? You are getting here 2 by cos A. And 1 by, what is 1 by cos? 1 by cos is nothing but sec. That is equal to 2 sec A. That is nothing but your RHS. So it is proved. Okay. So we'll solve some more problems. So friends, let us see the next problem here. 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A square root is equal to sec A plus tan A. First of all, see here. We have a square root here on the RHS left hand side, but it is not here on the right hand side. So we need to remove this square root. Square root can only be removed if we are going to get a square out here. Okay. So let us start from LHS. 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A square root. Okay. So here 1 minus sin square theta equals to cos square theta. Here you have 1 minus sin theta only, sin A. Okay. To get it 1 minus sin square theta, you need to multiply 1 plus sin A. Multiply 1 plus sin A on both the sides. That is on numerical, so numerator and denominator also. So here 1 plus sin A is multiplied both on numerator and denominator. Okay. So what are we going to get here? 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, that is 1 plus sin A whole square. Here it is in the form A minus B into A plus B, that is nothing but your A square minus B square. So 1 square is 1 minus B square, that is sin square A. So see what are we going to get here. So here you have the square root of 1 plus sin A whole square divided by 1 minus sin square A is nothing but cos square A. So square root of cos square A. So see here, you are getting the square of 1 plus sin a and cos a both on numerator and denominator. So what are you going to get here? You are going to get here 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. Now see, the square root is removed. Okay, now solve it. You are going to get 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. 1 by cos a is nothing but sec a plus sin a by cos a is tan a. That is nothing but your RHS proved. Okay, so student, don't ever stop solving those problems related to trigonometric identities. You will ultimately get your answers. Okay, let us go for another question. So let us see the last question for today. Here you have sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cosec a plus sec a whole square equals to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Okay, so first of all, students will say, sir, we don't have tan a here, we don't have cot a here, and also how are you going to get 7 here? Okay, so let us solve it. Okay, always try to solve the question, you will ultimately get your answers. So start from LHS. Sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. Okay, first expand those terms. It is a plus b whole square, so a square plus b square plus 2ab. See here, so we are going to get sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 into sin a into cosec a plus cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a into sec a. Okay, now see here, cosec a is the reciprocal of sin a. Okay, so cosec a can be written as, so if you are getting sin a, cosec a is your 1 by sin a, it is the reciprocal, so it will be cancelled out. Okay, so these two are cancelled out. Again, cos a into sec a, sec a is the reciprocal of cos a, so again this cos a and sec a will be cancelled out. Okay, so what are you going to get here? See, now this sin square a plus cos square a, sin square a plus cos square a is 1, so you are getting 1 here, plus here you have already got 2, here also you are getting 2. Okay, now you have cosec square a plus sec square a. Now see here, 1 plus 2 plus 2, you have already got 5 here. You just need to get another 2 to get 7, and I need to convert them into tan a and cot a. Okay, now see, cosec square a, cosec square a is 1 plus cot square a, so convert it 1 plus cot square a plus sec square a is 1 plus tan square a. So what am I getting here? 1 plus tan square a. Now see here, 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is you are getting 7. Arrange this, you are getting tan square a plus cot square a. Now see, this is nothing but your RHS. Okay, so this has been solved only in 4 steps. Okay, so students, don't ever be afraid of trigonometric identities. Practice more, and you'll get it fun, while solving those trigonometric identities. Okay, so I'll make some more videos related to trigonometric identities. So students, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.